if you could have anything you wanted in the whole wide world, what would it be?
I think to be a meaningful and valued member of this team.
Oh, well, we got you something else. The last bits of puffed heaven cold.
Oh, Cheezy Dibbles!
Now hit that machine and get your present. As elite units go, we're the elitist of the elite. Top shelf in the bureau. The penultimate. +1. Where'd Private go?
Oh, there he is. D3.
How much is he?
He's $3.50, sir.
That's outrageous. Even for Private.
Sir, the machine is alive.
Well, I don't think I like your attitude, vending machine. Or your prices. Release them.